Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to use Spectrum remote with Roku TV. So let's get started. First turn on your Roku TV. Always make sure your TV is powered on before you begin. Then insert working batteries into the Spectrum to avoid setup interruptions. Then check the remote model that is usually printed on the back or inside the battery compartment. This can help if model specific steps are needed. At last, hold menu and OK button together until the input button flashes twice. This means the remote is ready to be programmed. Then move to the next step. Use the auto search method. For this, just point the remote at your Roku TV and press TV power once. Then hold the up arrow until the TV shuts off. This allows the remote to scan for the correct control code. At last, confirm it worked. Press TV power again to turn the TV back on, then test volume and input buttons to ensure everything is responding correctly. If auto search fails, you can try manual code entry if needed. For this, enter a Roku TV code instead. Hold menu and OK until you see two flashes. Then type a working code such as 11756 or 2049 or 12434. Then test and repeat if necessary. If it does not function properly, you can repeat the process using another code. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.